Affiliate Marketing Strategies for Passive Income, your 2024 guide to earning while you sleep. The dream of passive income. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Movie camera. If you're looking to make money while you sleep, yes, I'm talking about real passive income, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into affiliate marketing strategies for passive income that will make 2024 your year of profits. Money mouth face, so stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let us get right into it. What is affiliate marketing? First things first, what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's the process of earning a commission by promoting someone else's products or services. If you can drive sales through your unique affiliate link, you get a slice of the pie. Shortcake. Here's why affiliate marketing is perfect for passive income. Once your content is out there, it can keep making you money even when you're not actively working on it. Let us break down how you can make this happen. 1. Niche selection, finding your golden opportunity. The first strategy is to nail down your niche. And I mean, really nail it down. Don't just go broad like fitness or technology, those are way too crowded. You need a specific angle that stands out. Backhand index pointing right. Try micro niches like eco-friendly fitness gear or budget tech gadgets for students. Use tools like Google Trends and Answer the Public to find out what's hot right now. Remember, the more specific your niche, the easier it is to build a loyal audience, and loyalty means more clicks on those affiliate links. Choosing a content platform, blogs, YouTube, or both. Now that you've picked a niche, it's time to choose your platform. You have two main options. Blogging. Blogs are SEO friendly and can drive tons of organic traffic. You can monetize them with ads, affiliate links, and even ebooks. Use tools like Surfer SEO or SEMrush to optimize your content with trending keywords. YouTube. Video content is king right now. YouTube videos rank high on Google, meaning you can hit two birds with one stone: YouTube traffic and search engine traffic. Make engaging content with strong visuals and a call to action. Always tell your viewers to check the affiliate links in the description. The best strategy is that combine both. Use a blog to write detailed articles, and create engaging YouTube videos that link back to your articles for maximum exposure. 2. Focus on high-ticket items for bigger commissions. Why put in the effort to earn a 2 commission when you can earn 200 money back? High-ticket items have higher payouts, and they aren't necessarily harder to sell if you target the right audience. For example, if your niche is tech, focus on promoting higher-priced gadgets or software subscriptions instead of low-ticket accessories. Always look for affiliate programs that offer recurring commissions, so you get paid not just once, but monthly. Backhand index pointing right. Websites like CJ Affiliate, Share a Sale, and ClickBank are great platforms to find high-ticket products. Choose products with good reviews and check the conversion rate stats before committing. 3. Utilize evergreen content, keep earning year-round. If you want true passive income, focus on evergreen content. Evergreen content is relevant no matter the season or trends. It's content that stays useful year after year. Examples: how TOS, tutorials, in-depth reviews, and best of lists. These types of content can generate clicks for years if properly optimized. Here a pro tip is for US that use long-tail keywords, phrases with 3 or more words. They might have lower search volume, but they convert better because they're more specific. 4. SEO optimization, the secret sauce. SEO is the backbone of passive income. If your content doesn't rank, it doesn't matter how good it is. Here's a quick checklist for on-page SEO. Use target keywords in your title, URL, and throughout your content. Create meta descriptions that are click-worthy. Use internal linking to keep visitors on your site longer. Optimize for mobile users. Most traffic nowadays is mobile. For off-page SEO, don't underestimate the power of backlinks. Network with other bloggers, guest post, and collaborate with YouTubers in your niche to build those links. 5. Email marketing, your secret weapon for conversions. People often say, the money is in the list, and they're not wrong. Building an email list can skyrocket your affiliate sales. Use lead magnets like free ebooks, checklists, or discount codes to get people to sign up. Email pro tip, use email marketing platforms like ConvertKit or MailerLite to automate your campaigns. Create a welcome sequence that introduces your brand and includes soft pitches for affiliate products. Segment your email list based on interest. This way, you can send more targeted offers, increasing the chance of conversions. 6. Leverage social media for traffic and credibility. Social media is your friend, not your foe. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are perfect for driving traffic to your affiliate content. Instagram, use stories and reels to share quick reviews or demos of affiliate products. Add links in your bio. Pinterest, create visually appealing pins that link back to your blog or YouTube channel. Use Pinterest SEO by targeting relevant keywords. TikTok, short, engaging videos can drive tons of traffic. Use TikTok's native link options to direct viewers to your affiliate links. Backhand index pointing right. Pro tip, engage with your audience by answering questions and hosting live sessions. This builds trust, and people are more likely to buy through someone they trust. 7. Don't forget A/B testing, maximize your conversions. Test, test, and test again. What works today might not work tomorrow. Use tools like Google Optimize or Optin-Monster to perform A/B testing on your landing pages, calls to action, and email subject lines. Check out what kind of headlines, button colors, or affiliate products convert the best. Tweaking the small things can result in big increases in conversion rates. 8. Stay up-to-date with trends, adapt or get left behind. Affiliate marketing is an ever-evolving field. What worked last year might not work today, so stay ahead of the curve. Lightbulb pro tip: join communities like Reddit, niche-specific Facebook groups, and affiliate summit conferences to stay updated. Follow top affiliate marketers on platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. And don't forget to subscribe to industry newsletters and podcasts. Staying informed will help you adapt your strategy and remain competitive. 9. Automate, outsource, and scale. Finally, the ultimate goal is to automate and scale your efforts. Invest in tools that make your life easier. Use Zapier or if to automate repetitive tasks. Hire virtual assistants for content creation, social media management, or SEO. Consider using AI tools like Jasper for content generation and Canva for quick graphic designs. Once you have a system in place, scale it up. Double down on what's working and remove what's not. And there you have it: 10 proven strategies to build passive income through affiliate marketing. Remember, the key is to start small, focus on quality, and scale up over time. Don't rush. Passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more insights, and drop a comment with your favorite affiliate marketing strategy. Let us make money while we sleep.